Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make this hexagon. For making this hexagon we will use this acrylic yarn, a 3mm hook and a pair of scissors. Before get started, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. First we will do a slip knot. Now we will do chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will do a slip stitch in the first chain here like this. Now we will do chain 3. 1 2 3. This chain 3 we will count as our first double crochet. Now we will do 2 double crochet in this loop. 1 and 2. This is our first petal of the granny square. Now we will do chain 2 and again 3 double crochet in the same loop. 1 2 3. We will do total 6 petals exactly like this in the same loop. Here we have finished our row. Now we will make a slip knot at the top of the 3 chain and finish the row like this. Now we will do chain 3 and start our second row. For starting our second row we will turn our work like this and we will do 2 double crochet in this chain 2 space. 1 and 2. It is our first petal. Now we will do chain 2, again 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. 1 and 2 and 3. And we have finished our first corner of the hexagon space. And we will do same corner in all the chain 2 spaces exactly like this. 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, again chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet all along the row. After finishing this row we will come back. Here we have finished our row. Now we will do a slip stitch at the top of the 3 chain like this. Now we will do chain 3, turn our work. Here we have finished our second row and finished our row with a slip stitch. Now we will make chain 3 and turn our work. Now we will do a double crochet in the next chain 2 space like this. Now we will do chain 3 double crochet and chain 2, then 3 double crochet in the next chain 2 space here. 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Now chain 2, 1 2, again chain 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. 1 2 and 3. Now we will do chain 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. This is our first corner of the granny square in this row, in the third row of the hexagon. This is our first corner. Now we will do the side. We will do 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space, 1 and 2. Now we will do the next corner of the hexagon exactly like this, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 2 in the chain 2 space we will do 2 double crochet. Now we will do next corner of the hexagon, and we will follow the same pattern of this row all along the way. After finishing this row we will come back. Here we have finished our third row of the hexagon. Now we will do a slip knot at the top of the 3 chain, and we will finish the row like this. Now we will do chain 3, and do a double crochet in the same stitch. And a double crochet in the next stitch. Now we have 4 double crochet of the side of the hexagon. Now we will do the first corner of the 4th row of the hexagon. For doing our first corner we will have to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space like this. Now we will skip this 2 chain 2 stitch, and we will do double crochet in the 3rd stitch here like this, and we will do total 4 double crochet. This is 1, and we will do total 4 double crochet in these stitches like this. Here we have make our first side of the hexagon. Now we will do our next corner stitch. Here we have done our corner stitch, and we will skip 2 stitch and do double crochet in the next stitch, total 4 double crochet in this row, and we will follow the same pattern all along the way until the end here. After finishing this row we will come back. Here we have finished our row, and now we will do a slip knot at the top of the 3 chain, and we have finished our 4th row of the hexagon. Now we will do our 5th row of the hexagon. For doing our 5th row we will do chain 3 and start doing double crochet here in the next stitches like this. Now we will skip this 2 double crochet stitch and do a corner stitch in the 2 chain space here. In this chain 2 space we will do our first corner stitch of the 5th row. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 2, again 3 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Now we will skip 2 chain and do double crochet all along the hair until we have 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 stitch remaining before the 2 chain 2 spaces, like this. Skip 2 chain, 2 stitch, skip 2 stitch. Now double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochet. Now we will do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, like this. Again skip 2 stitch, then do 6 double crochet, then skip 2 stitch and do a corner stitch in the chain 2 space, and we will do all along the way till the end here. After finishing this row we will come back. Here we have finished our row. Now we will do slip stitch at the top of the 3 chain. Now 1 chain and cut the yarn, and we have finished our hexagon. Here we have finished our hexagon. So if you like this video and if it was helpful, then never forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share with me what you have done with this hexagon. So happy crocheting. Thank you for watching. Bye.